First, under the glove box, locate the two black clips securing the cover. Remove both clips by squeezing the sides and pulling out. Remove the plastic cover. Locate the single bolt that secures the air filter and using a T15 torque wrench, remove the bolt. Remove the plastic cover by squeezing inward on the sides and pulling out. And then slide out the old air filter. Notice the debris on the inside side of the filter indicates that the air flows from front to back. Ensure that the airflow indicators on the new filter are pointing from front to back. Slide in the new filter, replace the plastic cover, and screw in the bolt. Replace the cover by reinstalling the two plastic clips. And that concludes this install.